Hey guys, it's 150 Productions, and today I got another evike unboxing for you guys. I recently ordered my first CO2 gun. It's not blowback, but its effect is pretty nice. I'll show you guys it. It was a WG Sport 1911 custom special edition or something like that. Whatever. They really take this thing up good. Alright. Now, this is my first gun. Paper. Oh, snap. Alright, here's the gun. Order form. Here's the gun I got. Alright. Wow, that looks nice. That really looks nice. Alright, hold on. Wow, this one looks very nice. Wow. Great feeling. Look at that. Very nice. Wow, that feels nice. This package weighed about 2 pounds. Wow, it smells like a brand new gun. Alright, it also came with the mag. CO2. Came with, I believe this is what you use to take off the little orange tip. And a little box of bees that I probably will not use. Alright, so I'll end up doing a review of this later. So thanks for watching, guys. Just get you clip quick. Yep, that's nice, guys. Thanks for watching.